my lovelies, hi, Poulami here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular Christmas inspired makeup look. I think this is my day 2 of the Christmas inspired makeup series. So I hope you have watched the video that I put up earlier. So if you haven't watched that out, please check it out from the drop down box over here. So yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular makeup look over here. So yeah, this makeup look is quite simple. I have just put up little stars, you know, to make it a little more Christmassy. There is nothing more than that. You can definitely omit these stars and wear it as your, you know, in any of your party makeup. So yeah, this is it for today's look. I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. So yeah, now without any more wasting of your valuable time, let's jump into the intro. That I'm totally done with my base makeup, so I'll quickly go ahead and start on with my eye makeup. And to prep and prime my eyelid, I have used my all-time favorite concealer, which is the PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain, so I have used this one to prep and prime my eyelid, and I have dabbed it up with my Morphe blender. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and start on with my first palette. So I'm just going to use this Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 palette, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here, which is basically known as Bliss. So I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here, which is basically known as Bliss. So I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here, and I'm just going to start putting it onto my crease area. So I'm just taking the color little at a time, and I'm just, you know, stamping it onto my lid space here until I get the desired pigmentation and the consistency. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm done putting on that shade, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go towards this beautiful shade over here called Sundown. So I'm just going to use this particular shade over here, and taking this beautiful shade over here, I'm just going to, you know, buff out the edges of that shade called Blaze. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with blending that shade called Blaze with the shade called Sundown, and I am done blending it and doing like all the transition thingy. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go ahead and take my concealer and cut my crease. Now as you can see that I'm totally done with that cut crease. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead towards my palette, and from this beautiful palette over here, I'm just going to take this beautiful shade which is known as Pearl, which is basically this one. It is like that pinky beautiful shimmery shade. So I'm just going to take this shade over here, and I'm just going to put it onto my lid space area. To do that, I'm going to use a flat synthetic brush, and I'm just going to take that shade directly onto my brush, and I'm just going to pat it onto my lid space area. So wow, that shade is too glossy. I love this. I'm actually in love with this entire palette, and I can understand why was it so hyped about. It actually worth all the hype that it has in the market. This is such a beautiful shade and such a beautiful palette. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done with putting on that shimmery shade onto my lid space, which was known as Pearl. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go towards some water liner. It is in the shade White. The shade name is Extra Miles by TF Beauty. I have used this a zillion of times on my channel, so I'm just going to activate it with some water. and I'm just going to draw a few stars over my eyes here and there, you know, just to amp up the Christmas vibe a little bit more. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done with the stars onto like this portion of my eyes. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put on some falsies and some mascara and complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So now I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye. So this is how my makeup turned out to be. I'm super happy with how it turned out to be. On my lips today, I'm wearing my Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick, which is in the shade Boss. So this is the one that I am wearing on my lips currently. This red is so beautiful, so Christmassy. I just love this vibe. So yeah, this is how my makeup turned out to be. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this entire Christmas inspired little mini tutorial. So if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.